Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a quick review of the Spirit XBR55 Recumbent bike. If you didn't see it, please watch the other reviews of my recumbent bikes. I do have some experience. This is my number 7. Now back to the XBR55. This is something between the home version and the commercial version. I find the home version very good, super reliable, very good quality, very strong frame. Now the 55 model is even better. It's got some adjustments taken from the 95 version. Now we have the seat adjustment, which is better. It reclines automatically. That's pretty cool. Apart from that, the console it's got some more programs and it's just more advanced. Like with the other Spirit recumbent bikes, the frame is commercial grade, very high quality. All the welding is really good, and after a couple of months of using different recumbent bikes, I find the Spirit pretty much the best there is, and all the XBR bikes seem to be really versatile and super comfortable. I didn't notice anything that I didn't like about it. While I did like the sitting position, I did like the fact that the seat is super comfortable with sort of a mesh back support. Now you can also adjust that and it leaves the air to go through, so that's super nice. All the switches are in the proper places. The resistance is really good. All the sitting position and the comfort is top notch. If you have any questions, please ask. I do have some more experience with other recumbent bikes. Thanks. Have a good day.